In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync audio in Premiere Pro. So this is very simple. Everything you have to do is simply have some audio inside your timeline or sequence in here, and then pull in the second audio you would like to sync. Okay, as you can see, it's a video that I just recorded for this sample. And then what you want to do is have the first audio inside audio track 1, and then the second one inside audio track 2, and so on and so forth. You can do this with 1, 2, 3, 4, or however many channels you would like. And then all you want to do is simply select all of the tracks, okay? Right click and click synchronize, and then press OK. And there we go, that's literally it. Your audio has been synchronized. Now sometimes it isn't perfect and you may have to move like the bottom track a bit to the right or a bit to the left, so it depends, but most of the times it gets it perfectly right. And yeah, that's how you sync the audio in Premiere Pro.